Okay, team, we're going to go back to normal operation on the compressor. So that means that we're going to be setting this switch to auto. And that should turn everything on. Okay. Now, every 2.5 hours or so, so at the beginning of a shift, in the middle of a shift, and at the end of every shift, I want you to come fill out this log. It's a compressor log. Okay? So on the compressor log, you're going to put the date and the time. You're going to put the inlet pressure. That is this pressure right here. So here's the overall view. You're going to put in this pressure right here from this gauge. So right now you put in 62. That's inlet pressure. You're going to look at the outlet pressure. The outlet pressure is this one on the upper right up here. That's the outlet pressure. Outlet pressure is at 42. Next, you're going to put in the outlet temperature, or the inlet temperature, and then the outlet temperature. So the inlet temperature is the low number temperature that's on the pipe to the left. That'd be 45.3. The outlet temperature is the one that's on the pipe on the right. It's higher, and it should be a higher temperature. It's 97.7. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to put the flow rate. The flow rate is right here. So if the red line is below 1, you're going to put less than 1. If it's at 1, you're going to put 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, etc. We should expect for right now that the flow rates are going to be about between 1 and 2.5. The last two things you have to put on are running hours and operating temperature. So let's walk around the front of the machine and I'll show you where those are. So you're going to record the hours off this little dial right here. See, right here, this little dial. You're going to record the number of hours, so now that'd be 211.1. And the last thing you're going to do is record the temperature off this temperature gauge on the panel. So right now that'd be like 142. The other thing that you want to look at is if the sump pressure is low, like 60, then it is not under load. And if it's high, over 100, then it's currently under load. And you're just going to note that under load with a yes or a no. As to whether the machine's currently under load or it's in an idle mode. You hear that noise? That noise means the machine just went under load. So under load, you're going to get a sump pressure that's up around 120. And while it's under load, while the machine is under load, you're going to expect, you see how the flow went up from about 1 to about 2? You're going to expect the flow rate to go up while the machine's under load. So we also want to note over here a yes or a no whether the machine was under load when you measured it. All right, thank you.